This is indeed a must-try recipe. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I believe you're all doing great and keeping yourself safe out there. Today on our menu we have curry rice. Guys, this recipe is top-notch and I love it so much and I'm hopeful that you love it as well. Without much ado, let's get started. Alright, add all these special simple ingredients and they are my chopped white onions, my curry powder, my coconut milk, my pink salt, um, my chicken broth. Chicken broth smells so good, it tastes so good, and my salted beef, and lastly, my jasmine rice. Guys, we're going to pour olive oil in the first pan, and then we continue from there. I'm not using that much of oil because I don't need too much oil in this recipe. So now I'm putting in my salted beef, and already the flavor has begun. Wow, smells so good. If you've ever used salted beef in your amamu, then you know what I'm talking about. It smells so good right now. I'm now adding my chopped onions. Guys, this is so simple and the result is amazing. So keep watching till the end and I'm sure you love it. Smells so good. That's amazing. Top notch flavor. Wow. Look at that. So good. It's frying nicely and it's turning golden brown already. Wow. So I'm going to take some of the onion on the side and use this for garnishing, okay? Wow. Smells good. I'm now going ahead to add my chicken broth. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Guys, keep watching and I'm sure you love it. This chicken broth is all you need for your stew or for your jollof rice or for this particular curry rice. Oh my goodness. I'm going ahead to add my curry. Wow. This is simple and amazing recipe. So guys, keep watching it. Okay? The video is so short, so keep watching it, okay? Don't go anywhere. I'm adding my rice now. Oh my days. This is good. Flavor is so on top. My goodness. Guys, this is not a joke, and I'm hopeful that you'll be inspired to try this recipe and then testify to this. It's not just any rice at all. It's so amazing. It's so flavorful. And the beef, the salted beef is everything. I know my Ghanaian people will understand me. It's everything. We are adding more curry powder because I want it to be a bit more yellow. Okay? So add any amount that you prefer. Again, let's give it a good stir to combine it nicely and properly and beautifully as well. I love this recipe and I love the aroma I'm just smelling. I love it. I love it so much. We're going to add our coconut milk. Wow. Wow. And add more water. You're going to keep stirring it to combine it nicely and evenly. And also, since I don't want my rice to be soft and also sticky, I'm going to be so mindful of how much water I put in there. So gradually I'll add water bit by bit, and then when it's okay for me, then I'll leave it like that. So I think this level of water I have is okay. I'm now adding my salt to taste. Again, we're going to give it a gentle good stir to combine the salt evenly. We are all done now and it's time for us to cover our rice up and wait till the water dries out. So once the water is dried out, again we're going to cover our rice with a kitchen foil and a parchment pepper together, all right, and then leave it for the heat to be trapped in the rice. Okay, this kitchen foil and parchment paper will help trap the heat in the rice, I mean in the saucepan, so that the rice can cook well and gently. It's all done, guys. I've already served the rice in the serving bowl and it looks so appetizing. It smells so aromatic. I love it. And I hope you are all inspired. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and keep yourself safe out there. I love you all. Bye bye. Mwah.